Hey guys, my name is Adam and I haven't posted on this channel for 8+ years. Plus, it's my first time showing my face on YouTube. So please be a little patient with me and bear with me because I'm not used to this. I haven't posted like I mentioned. This used to be a gaming channel, converting it now into a hair loss channel. Why? Because as you can see, I've had some hair loss. That's why I got this hair transplant. And my name is Adam, so now I'm calling it Adam Hair Loss and Health. Pretty easy to understand, right? Okay, cool. Also, I'm not just gonna talk about hair loss. I'm also gonna talk about different Amazon items that I find, like dental whitening kits. So men's health, men's grooming. So a lot to provide to you guys. So please stay tuned. Also, I have this giveaway going on now. So I'm gonna be giving away these two amazing $25 Amazon gift cards to two lucky subscribers. So a lot of people shop on Amazon, so I felt that this is the best way to come back on YouTube and give back to the community. So let's get started. As far as hair loss goes, I've been dealing with this since I've been 18 years old. Yes, you heard me right, 18. And you're probably thinking the same thing too. Hey, same here, or you're probably thinking, crap, you're lucky. I started when I was 16. I know I'm lucky, but so here's how I looked like when I was 18. And then here's how I look like now. So
Ouch.
yeah, very bad. Oh man. I know you don't have to say anything. A picture says 1,000 words. Yeah. Okay. So this is the common story of a lot of people, and I don't want to just be like another person on YouTube. Just talking about my hair loss and stuff. I want to be a little different. I feel like a lot of people are staying quiet about hair loss. They're not trying to, go out there and really try things out because they're scared about the side effects of drugs, or they just don't know what to do. They're just giving up. So that's why I'm here. I want to talk about it now. So I've had this problem when I've been 18, like I mentioned, and this is basically called male pattern baldness, is what I'm going through, and a lot of men, including, me. So the scientific term is androgenetic alopecia, and basically it's basically an issue that's genetically caused. So my mom's side had it of the family, and what happens is the hormone in my body called dihydrotestosterone, I think I'm saying it right, basically aka DHT. What happens is that the top of my head, the hairline, the crown, this hair in the front on the top, all this hair is very, very sensitive to the DHT in my body. So what happens over time is that the DHT starts attacking my hair follicles on the top, and that's why there's hair loss. So my hair starts out really, really big, and then over time it shrinks and shrinks and shrinks. And this process is called hair miniaturization. So there's going to be a link in the article so you can go and research more about this. But I just wanted to give a little summary because I'm not a doctor. That's a disclaimer. I'm not a doctor. I'm just giving you my personal experience and the research I've done. So that's basically what happens. And you'll notice that not every part of your head is going to be as affected by this genetic problem. The back of your head, it might not be affected as much. That's why you see bald people that are walking, if they don't shave for 3 or 4 days, you'll see like a rim of hair in the back, and that's because the hair in the back is not as affected by this problem, this genetic hair problem. So with that being said, going into what can be done to battle this. Well, there's medications, there's treatments, there's hair transplants, there's a lot of things. Let me just start off with medications first. So there's a lot of medications out there, but the popular ones that I know of that I'm taking is finasteride, aka called Propecia, and that basically restricts the DHT, hormone within my body, so that way my hair can grow again. Now that doesn't mean 100% hair growth. Don't think that. Whatever you've lost, you could regain, but not all of it. So that's why it's best, like I say to everyone I know, please start early. Do not wait until you're 25 or 30. Like, if you can start at 21, 22, please start looking into it. Like, because otherwise, that's not a, it's not gonna, you're not gonna be able to get all of it back. I started when I was what, 26? So yeah, I wish I started when I was earlier, because then I would have had more hair, to keep. So second thing is, the second drug is minoxidil, aka called Rogaine. So that's basically a stimulation kind of drug. It just basically stimulates the hair follicles to grow more. And the third one is biotin, which is just basically a supplement. Now I take all these three things together, not separately. I take all of them together, and it's basically one magic pill that I eat every night. Sorry about that. There's one magic pill that I eat every night, and that basically gives me all these three things together. And this magic pill that I take every night is given to me by my doctor in Austin, who's my hair restoration surgery professional, who's my surgeon. He's the one who basically did my hair transplant, and he's very amazing. His name is Dr. Daniel McGrath. More on him later. He's a very good person, very, very knowledgeable doctor. He was a president of the ABHRS, which is the American Board of Hair Restoration Surgeons. So you can see I did my research, right? I'm not just gonna go right to any doctor. There's more on him later. I'll leave his information in the description box. But as far as the medication goes, I had a really, really good success with it. In fact, this medication that I've been taking for 11 months now is the reason why my hair transplant came out good. That's because this drug really helped regrow my hair. My hair was in a bad shape. In the next video, I'll show you how bad it was. You'll see a whole timeline. But for now, I am going to show you a little before and after that's going to come up over here. And you can see in the before picture how my hairline, how my crown was. And my crown in the back was bad, as you can see. And even the donor permanent zone hair that I was telling you about in the earlier, even that was bad too. You can see there's the density on there. I'll put some arrows on there, but it's not good. And that's what my doctor was telling me when he first saw me, that hey, like, your hair surgery is not going to be successful if your hair in the back is not thick enough. So that's why I started taking the drug. I was scared about the side effects too, but nothing has happened. I'll get more into that in the next video. And in the after, you can see what is such a big difference, right? I know, amazing results. So that's all I'm going to say now for medication. And as far as transplant goes, I'll go more into it. I'll go more into it later as I post more videos. So that's all I'm going to say now for hair loss. In terms of the giveaway, let's get right into it. If you're still with me, here's how to win this giveaway. Here's how to win this giveaway, sorry. So to win this giveaway, 4 steps. The first step is subscribe to the channel. Second step is like this video. Third step is comment on this video. And the fourth step is something that you can do to help yourself, help me, and help others. Please share this video with every single person that you know that is dealing with hair loss, because I really want to help them out. And especially if they're in the Texas area, share anywhere, you know, because this doctor is in Texas, but people see him all around. I want really people to know about this doctor, about the great work that he does, about, you know, the medication that I'm taking and how it can change people's lives. So it helped me out, and I really want to help people out too, with the experience and the knowledge that I have and everything that I know so far. So please share this video. The giveaway will close in about 2 weeks. That way it'll give people enough time to see this video, enter, and get a chance to win. Again, I'm very happy to be posting again, and I really need your support. Thank you so much for your help.